the big mistake for me was with STX, and there's a couple of guys that were in it with myself as well, and it was just a very easy earnings flag breakout that we took. We pretty much bought it through 90, and we just trailed the stop versus the prior low a day the entire way up. And for the better part of a week, it worked perfectly. Every day, towards the close, we just kept moving the stop up, verse 92, verse 94, verse 96, so on and so forth. But the day where I made the mistake was on November 10th, when we had this little doji at highs. This was where the mistake was, where I anticipated there were, and this was the worst, is like the difference of like 1%, like not wanting to get back that 1%. So at that, like this day, stop was prior low a day that, under 97, low a day is 98. And I'm like, look, I'm in this thing for, almost 10 days. It's traded up 10 days in a row. Like, how much more can I expect from this stock? There's no way that it's going to trade higher given given what I'm seeing right now. So, okay, and let me just take the gain here. Let me take the 10% versus giving it back for 8%. And then immediately the next day, 6% higher, feel like an idiot. Next day, again, up another 6-7%. And it was an easy 30% trade. And this was kind of similar with, like you mentioned, where you took profits and like the 130s. That almost like capitulation, where like looking at it, you're like, I'm like, what an idiot. Like, I gave it away for 10% when it went for 30. And that was that simple mistake that I just anticipated a reversal and just if I waited the next day, it'll just the open. The stock opens kind of inside day, trades higher. Okay, I move the stop under 98 and I'm still in the trade. So that was like the real big, like, kind of like punch in the gut on this lesson of like really hammering it in. When we start to see those dojis at highs, just see what the next day's price action is. If it trades higher, keep it. If it trades lower, kind of look for the exit. And that was a 20% difference of this trade. So that's definitely my biggest lesson, and one that will definitely be burned in my head for the next couple weeks.
Yeah, it's tough right there.